how to enable or disable show surface updates on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search Show Surface Updates from here. Scroll down. You will see show surface update is here. If you want to enable show surface updates, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see show surface updates is enabled. If you want to disable show surface updates, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see show surface updates is disabled. You will enable or disable show surface updates from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable show surface updates on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.